SurfShark VPN coupon codes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I have a special treat for you. I have a little mini review, and I kind of want to talk about certain things and features that I really like about SurfShark VPN. But before we start, if you want to save 84% off and get 2 months for free on your SurfShark VPN subscription, all you got to do is to click the link on the video description box below. That's right, you guys. Just click the link on the video description box and you'll be able to get Surfshark VPN at the lowest price I've seen it in the last maybe 2 3 months. 84% off plus 2 months for free. Now let's take a look at what this deal is exactly. So just so you know, you can appreciate the magnitude of this deal. So with this deal, instead of paying $12.95 a month, which is how much it is normally, or $3.99 a month for the yearly subscription, you'll get it for as low as $2.05 a month. Now, take note, guys, that link on the description below, the deal on it might change, but what we'll make sure of here on this channel is as soon as you click that, a similar deal, something comparable would be available for you to take advantage of. So just click that link right now. If all you're after is the discount, you can just go, just get away from us right now and just click on that link, get that deal. So what are some of the features that really stand out for me when it comes to Surfshark VPN? Now, of course, first things first, the most important part or feature of Surfshark VPN is the fact that you can connect an unlimited number of devices on it. In fact, they made us this little comparison chart over here, right? Compared to places like ExpressVPN or Proton VPN, which only offer up to devices simultaneously and 10 devices simultaneously. Surfshark tops everyone by offering an unlimited number of devices that you can connect to it. So they don't limit it at all. And what this means is you'll be able to share Surfshark VPN with your friends and family. And of course, there's other stuff here to like as well. That pop-up blocker is really good. Their ad blocker is really good. And again, guys, they have a really, really good customer support as well. I'll probably make its own video about that. But what I'm here to talk to you about is just highlight maybe two or three key features that I really, really like. Now, the second thing I like about Surfshark VPN is just how simple it is to use split tunneling. Now, what is VPN split tunneling? I'm sure some of you guys watching this video right now are just total newbies to VPN services in general. Now, split tunneling, what it is basically a feature that'll enable you to choose which data you want to encrypt. Now, this means that you'll also be using two different IP addresses at the same time, and at the same time, for that part of your connection that will not have VPN on it, it'll keep the original speed of traffic on that part of your connection that you don't want to protect. Now, that might have been confusing for you guys, so let's go with this visual right here. So imagine this, right? Imagine this. This is the internet, right? And this is your router on the left side of your screens. Now, you can connect either directly to the internet or route it via a tunnel, okay, that basically protects your VPN. So in a way, it's like okay. A simpler way of putting it would be: imagine you're using two apps simultaneously, right? Using split tunneling, you'll be able to actually protect or use VPN on one app and not use VPN on the other. Now with Surfshark VPN, of course, they have a proprietary name for it called Bypasser. So it's really, really good and it really works. And at the same time, it's really easy to use and install. Well, not install, but just to activate as well. So going back to the VPN, all you have to do, let me show you. Let me go all the way back here to the home page. For now, let's disconnect. You know what? Let's keep that on. That's fine. So let's say you're on your home page. All you gotta do to activate split tunneling is to go under settings, right? And then under settings, you click on VPN settings, and finally you can click on bypasser. So the way their bypasser works is basically you can choose what you don't want to connect through the VPN. So they have two ways of doing it here. So you can either route via VPN. So if you turn this on, right? You can then add apps or IP addresses down here. Let's see, let's turn that off. Oh, wait. Down here is where you click on the app, right? That you can route via VPN, and you can just click on them if you want to add them. Or let's say, so this is useful if you have just a few apps that you want to connect to the VPN, right? Now, if you're the other type of person and you're the type of person who has a lot of apps that you want to connect via VPN, then you can choose the bypass VPN function. So this one here will basically enable you to choose the few apps that you want to bypass your VPN for. So there's two ways of doing it, and it really, really works. Now, why even use split tunneling? Now, of course, being protected is very, very important. Now, certain connections, however, I'm sorry, certain applications, however, will not work just as good if you're connected to a VPN. Like some examples of this, of course, would be your banking apps, right? Because of course your bank won't enable you to connect or use the like your mobile banking app if you're all of a sudden, let's say you're from America and you're showing up somewhere in Asia, right? That's gonna raise some red flags. So what all you got to do there is add your banking app, make sure that it's not connected to the VPN, and voila, it'll work just as normal. And there's of course other use cases for it, but split tunneling is something that definitely should be a part of any VPN that you choose. And luckily, Surfshark VPN has it just included in the package with no extra add-ons. Now, another thing that I really like about Surfshark VPN is the mobile app that they have because it's really, really good. Now, let me just show you this mobile app. Let me give you a little walkthrough and so that you'll be able to appreciate it for yourself. So over here we have the app, the mobile app for Surfshark VPN. Just so you guys know, this is on an iPhone. So as you can see, we can easily search for servers over here. You can just quickly scroll around, and once you click on a server of choice, just like what we did with the app on the computer, it's just under 3 seconds and you're already connected to a server of choice. Now, once you're connected, okay, it's pretty much guaranteed. It hasn't really happened to me dropping off when it comes to like the mobile device. And you can also easily search for, again, another server here. And I just want to show you guys that this is not some sort of a fluke or whatnot. And so within 5 seconds, I'm easily able to select a server. Now for mobile devices, that's really the main thing you need. You just need reliability like that, okay? Without having to resort to like weird solutions or going through other stuff. Now over here we have what's called static IP. Now this has been very useful for my job. Static IP, that is. Now over here is multi-hop. I haven't really used this feature a lot, but I think just like the other stuff on Surfshark VPN, it should work real well. And over here, I'm just want to show you real quick another way of where you can select servers is just to scroll down to all these countries. Stuff is basically listed alphabetically, and so it should be easy for most people to find. Now going back to static IP is very useful, especially for me. I do a lot of freelancing, and certain tools I have need to be connected to like the same server or the same IP address. So having that in my quiver is definitely something that's a huge plus. And as you can see here, I'm just trying to shuffle through these different connections, and there's even a recently used menu right there. And over here we have, of course, Surfshark 1. Then we can quickly go to settings, and here on settings you can easily toggle all the main function stuff. So as you can see, not all features are here since this is the mobile app, but the ones that count are here, and that's really what's important. And now over here, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for the mobile app. Now I just want to go around the settings here real quick and just show you some other stuff. You can ask for help over here as well. So as you can see, Surfshark is a really well-rounded product. I mean, we talked about some of the features that I really like. Number one, of course, is the fact that you can connect it on an unlimited number of devices, right? Number two, they have split tunneling, which again, I said, guys, it's a must. If you're going to be getting a VPN, you have to have that feature. And of course, finally, a seamless mobile app that pretty much, covers all the basics and is really easy to use and works really, really good as well, just like a lot of their other apps. And don't forget, guys, you can get all that at a special price just for today. And all you got to do is to click the link on the video description below. That's right. That's all you got to do. You can get 84% off plus 2 months for free, 205 a month for the first 26 months of the Surfshark VPN. All in all, we're looking at a total of just $53.28. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this deal. Click on that link and get Surfshark VPN for yourselves right here, right now. That's pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I do thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next one.